Hello everyone. Yesterday we learned that a $2,000 maximum out-of-pocket on prescription drug plans does not require that you actually spend $2,000 to hit your maximum out-of-pocket. And so today I wanted to explain exactly how it works so that you can explain it to people in a segment that I am going to call Medicare Common Core Math. Now, let me first disclose that I don't know anything about Common Core Math. I've seen some funny things online, and I can also tell you that my wife and I made a decision to put our kids into a charter school that teaches more traditional math because of some of the kooky things that I saw. But based on what I've seen, I think that Medicare practices Common Core Math because the answer to how much do you have to spend to hit a $2,000 maximum out of pocket is it's different for everyone. And that just doesn't make sense. So I'm going to explain it so that you understand how it works in the deductible phase and in the initial coverage phase. And we're going to start with this example here. I've got a Medicare Advantage plan with a $0 deductible, a Tier 3 medication that has a $47 copay, that has a retail cost of $1,000. Now this sounds like, could that actually exist? Yes. I've run the numbers on Medicare.gov, and I'm using the example of a plan that actually exists with very similar numbers in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now let's start in January. In January, your client goes to the pharmacy. We know that they are supposed to pay a deductible of $590. Are they going to pay that deductible? No. This plan covers the deductible for them. They are only going to spend $47. But is that deductible going to count towards their true out-of-pocket costs? Yes. So they've spent $47, but $590 counts towards their true out-of-pocket costs. But wait a minute. This medication was $1,000 a month. That means that there is a remainder of $410, and we need to multiply that by the standard benefit of 25%, which is approximately $103. Is your client going to pay that $103? No. They already paid their $47 copay. But does that count towards their maximum out of pocket? Yes. We add 103. So they have had $693 apply to their out-of-pocket maximum when they have only spent $47. Now, the rest of the months are pretty straightforward. February down to July, the medication is $1,000 a month. We multiply that by the standard benefit. That means $250 is being applied to the true out-of-pocket maximum, and that continues all the way down until July when they reach $2,000 on their maximum out-of-pocket. But each month they're actually only spending $47. Spending $47, $47, down, 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 until they get to July where they have spent $329. So here is Medicare's Common Core Math. $329 equals $2,000. And it's different for every person. That's what I call Medicare Common Core Math. Now I realize we're probably not going to go into that level of detail with each client, but at least now you know how it works. And when you see different figures coming up for different clients with different medications, you will be able to go back to the numbers and calculate it if you need to, but at least be able to explain it and understand it yourself.